Welcome back to the PLG123. This is episode 63, and today's tab is about Codex by OpenAI. Let's dive in. As you probably know, OpenAI is one of Elon Musk's other companies, and it certainly shares the same world-changing potential of all of his businesses. While OpenAI has been around and making big headlines since 2015, you've likely been seeing it referenced a lot more since May of 2020, because that's when it announced GPT-3, the newest and most powerful version of its deep learning language model, which immediately started getting embedded into popular SaaS products. OpenAI's newest release is called Codex, and it's kinda like GPT-3, but instead of generating intelligent strings of text for ad copy, web content, and emails, it's generating computer code based on natural language commands from the user. The easiest way to illustrate this is probably just to show you the Codex demo where they build a space game in 8 minutes. Here's the end result, a simple game where you avoid hitting an asteroid with your rocket ship. You should definitely check out this whole video because it's mesmerizing to watch, but here are a few sample commands. Adding the image of the rocket ship, shaping it, positioning it, making it move. Later, once you've added the asteroid, you animate it. And of course, the rocket ship needs blasters to help with evasion. I'll stop there because you probably get the idea of how this system works, but you should definitely check out this whole video. So in closing, besides being really cool, why does this matter? What will this become in the future? Well, there's two obvious things to start. First is pair programming, where Codex can suggest whole lines or even entire functions inside your editor. It's already embedded in GitHub as a product called Copilot for this use case. And secondly, this is bound to make no-code way more powerful, as any business user can effectively iterate through a trial and error process using natural language commands. Well, that does it for today and this week on the PLG123. Make sure to follow me and tune in next week for another 3 stories from the world of VC, SaaS, and product-led growth.